We will be going over what you should pack for your state board practical exam. This is what my students receive. I will link it in the description where you can buy it. This brand is available for most states. I am unboxing a Gill kit. Taking everything out, this is what you get. 2 general supplies bags, first aid kit, hair cutting bag, thermal curling bag, basic facial bag, manicure and polish application bag, chemical waving bag, blow dry styling bag, highlighting with foils bag, virgin hair relaxer bag, hair color retouch bag. Taking everything out of both general supplies bags and laying it out, this is what is supplied. Items to be disinfected bag, trash bag, soiled linens bag, trash liner, towels, hand sanitizer, neck strips, disinfecting wipes, hairbrush, water bottle, disposable gloves, 2 capes, paper towels. I'm going to unbox the first aid kit they provided. This is what is supplied. Gloves, mini first aid kit, mini trash bag, 2 blood exposure Ziploc bags. Grab a quart-size Ziploc bag and write first aid kit, putting everything that was unboxed into the Ziploc. For packing the general supplies bag, grab the hand sanitizer, water bottle, paper towels, first aid kit, and from one of the chemical service bags, grab a protective cream and put it in this bag as well. This is what it should look like. Next is the hair cutting bag. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. 2 mannequin shears. They are both right-handed. 2 cutting combs, a razor, and 5 clips. From the general supplies bag, take the neck strips and one of the capes. We will be packing those for this bag. Pack everything into the hair cutting bag and set aside. Next is the chemical waving bag. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. 18 perm rods, a string of cotton, mock waving lotion, 6 clips, end papers, rat tail comb. You will need to add the following into this bag: 2 spatulas, 2 towels, and a cape from the facial bag. Grab another quart-sized Ziploc bag and put 6 rods in there and label it perm rods. Pack everything into the chemical waving bag and set aside. Next is highlighting with foils. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. Foils, mock lightener, protective cream, spatula, 3 clips, rat tail comb with metal tail, tint brush, and a bowl. Remove 1 clip and the bowl and protective cream. Add another spatula. Pack everything into the highlighting with foils bag and set aside. Next is virgin hair relaxer. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. Mock relaxer, protective cream, spatula, rat tail comb, tint brush, and bowl. Remove the bowl and protective cream. Add another spatula in the clip you removed from the highlighting with foils bag. Pack everything into the virgin hair relaxer bag and set aside. Next is hair color retouch. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. Mock hair color, protective cream, spatula, rat tail comb, tint brush, and bowl. Remove the bowl and protective cream. Add another spatula and a clip from the blow dry styling bag. Pack everything into the hair color retouch bag and set aside. Next is blow dry styling. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. 4 clips. 3 after using 1 for hair color retouch, 2 heat-resistant combs, a brush, a vent brush, a round brush, water bottle, and towel. Remove 1 clip. You will also need to use another Ziploc bag and label it neck strips, and add a couple neck strips in there. The other cape from the general supplies bag will also be used in this bag. Based on personal preference, you can pick and choose whichever brushes you want to use. You can also switch them out for your own brushes. My preference is the vent brush. You only have 5 minutes to blow dry, so just be mindful. We are not done with this bag yet. Set it aside for right now. Next is thermal curling. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. 2 rat tail combs, 8 metal clips, 3 clips, temperature test strips. Remove the metal clips and other clips. You will only need 2 clips for this bag. Combining the 2 bags into 1 for blow dry styling, this is what you're left with. Cape, towel, neck strips, clips, temperature test strips, rat tail combs, heat-resistant combs, vent brush. I recommend using a 2-gallon size bag. You can put your blow dryer and curling iron in there along with the supplies needed. Pack everything into the 2-gallon size bag and set aside. You can take any of the remaining clips that we removed, not the metal ones, of course, and redistribute them into the kits however you see fit. Next is basic facial. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. I did forget to take a picture of this part, my bad. Cape, which we took out for chemical waving. 2 facial brushes, exfoliating cream, mask cream, cleansing cream, massage cream, moisturizing cream, astringent, 2 steam towels, hair band, cotton, spatulas. Remove 1 steam towel. Add a regular white towel. Also remove the facial brushes, mask, and exfoliating creams. You might want to pack more spatulas just in case any are dropped. Pack everything into the basic facial bag and set aside. Last is the manicure and polish application bag. Taking everything inside and laying it out, this is what is supplied. Towel, pink metal pusher, cotton, Q-tips, nail brush, nail file, nail buffer, massage cream, nail polish with top and base coat, nail polish remover, cuticle softener, cuticle oil, manicure bowl. You will need to add 2 spatulas and 3 orangewood sticks. Grab another quart-sized Ziploc and write clean implements. The nail file, nail brush, spatulas, and orangewood sticks will go in there. Grab some string cotton. You can take a bit from the chemical waving bag. Remove the cuticle oil, nail buffer, and pink metal pusher. You will also remove the nail polish, top, and base coats. You can use those to prep your mannequin hand for the exam, but for the exam, there will be no polishing. Pack everything into the manicure bag and set aside. Let's pretend this box is a duffel bag. Take your completed bags and put them into the duffel bag. I like to arrange it from first to last, so you won't have to spend time looking for the one you need. Going back to the general supply bag we packed, grab items to be disinfected bag and trash bag, wipes, and gloves. I recommend labeling single use on the back of the trash and multi-use on the back of items to be disinfected, so you and the proctors can clearly see which is which. I packed the single use and multi-use bags inside the duffel bag, but off to the side of the packed bags. Grab the wipes and gloves and put them inside the duffel bag, placed on top of the packed bags. You will need to provide a mannequin hand, and it is not provided in this state board kit. The mannequin hand will be also placed in the duffel bag next to the manicure bag, not packed inside the manicure bag. I also recommend buying a small side hand sanitizer that you can put into the side pockets of the duffel bag so you can sanitize your hands before you go into your kit in the beginning. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that this helps you. Leave any questions in the comments below.